In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox ReCAPTCHA issue on Windows. If ReCAPTCHA isn't working properly in Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer, you may be unable to sign in to websites, submit forms, or verify that you're not a robot. This issue can be caused by browser settings, extensions, corrupted site data, or outdated browser files. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting methods that can help restore ReCAPTCHA functionality in Firefox. To begin, make sure you're using the latest version of Mozilla Firefox. Open the application menu in the upper right corner of the browser, select Help, and then choose About Firefox. The browser will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, allow Firefox to complete it and restart the browser when prompted. Next, clear the cookies and cached files for the website where ReCAPTCHA isn't working. Click the padlock or site information icon next to the website address, clear the site's cookies and stored data if that option is available, and then reload the page. This removes outdated website data that may be interfering with the verification process. If the issue continues, temporarily disable your browser extensions to check whether one of them is blocking ReCAPTCHA. Extensions that block advertisements, scripts, privacy trackers, or other web content can sometimes prevent ReCAPTCHA from loading correctly. After disabling your extensions, refresh the web page and test the verification again. Another helpful step is to verify that JavaScript is enabled in Firefox. Many websites, including those that use ReCAPTCHA, rely on JavaScript to function correctly. If JavaScript has been disabled, ReCAPTCHA may fail to load or respond properly. Re-enable JavaScript if necessary, then reload the web page. You should also make sure that enhanced tracking protection or other privacy settings aren't preventing the ReCAPTCHA service from working. If needed, temporarily adjust these settings for the affected website and test the page again to see if the verification completes successfully. If ReCAPTCHA still doesn't work, restart Firefox in Troubleshoot mode. Open the application menu, select Help, and then choose Troubleshoot mode. This temporarily disables extensions and customizations without removing them. If ReCAPTCHA works correctly in this mode, one of your extensions or custom settings is likely causing the issue. Finally, restart your Windows computer after completing these troubleshooting steps. A system restart can clear temporary issues affecting Firefox and ensure that all recent browser changes are applied properly. That's all there is to it. These methods resolve most Firefox ReCAPTCHA issues on Windows and should help restore normal website verification so you can continue browsing without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,